Hey friends! I have been a little bit quiet around the channel these days because I've been working on a really big project and I am excited to finally share it with you. I am about to release my very first online painting course. I have been working for the last 6 months on the course and putting all of my creative juices and creative time into making something really awesome for you. And I'm excited to finally let you know about it. So the course is called Water Dance, and it focuses on painting beautiful, layered, vibrant water lilies in acrylic. And so inside the course, I share my favorite tools, my favorite materials, my favorite techniques and problem-solving tools, and we work through 2 paintings in the course. So the first painting is a small-scale painting of water lilies, and in the small painting, we work through the layering techniques, the way that we sketch the water lily, how we choose colors, and I just basically talk through all of my thought process for how I move step by step from the beginning of the painting through the ugly, messy middle that we all go through to come to a really satisfying and beautiful conclusion. Then after the small painting, we move into a large scale canvas. And because it's large scale, it presents a different set of problems because it's more of a complex composition, but we still use those same techniques and layering ideas to move it through all of those different phases of the painting to the end conclusion. So I am just really proud of this course. I have poured everything that I love about acrylics into it, and I'm just so excited to share it with you. I have created a beautiful information page for you that will tell you so much more about the course, and I will link it below in the description. There is a course trailer, an FAQ section. You can see into all the modules and see what the content is. You can see how long it is. There's a lot of information there for you that will hopefully answer all your questions. The course is hosted on Teachable, and it is a lifetime access self-paced course. So there's no live component to it. You can move through the course at the pace of your schedule, of your creative practice. Even if you only have an hour a week to work on it, you can do it at your own pace because you will have access to the course through your free Teachable account forever. So I'm just really excited for you to see if it is a good fit for you. So go ahead and go down and click that link. And the one thing that I don't have on the page is pricing. So the first week from June 14 through the 21st, 2022, the course will be discounted 15% off. So the price will be $72. And then after that first week, the price will go up to the regular price of $85. So if you're interested, hop in during that early bird discount week and you can get it at that discount. I think that is it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions after you've looked through the information page, and I would love to chat more about it. All right, bye for now, guys.